This last problem for your test is going to talk about the shape and the center of a histogram. So when we take a look at this one, we can see that our shape is going to be, starts at the top and then falls very slowly towards the right. So what we call this is, we call this kind of shape skewed. So we've got the top and then more data to the right than there is on the left. So this is called skewed right. There are, of course, two other shapes. There's skewed left, where the most of the data, or the highest part of the data, is over on the right side and it slopes down to the left side. So it's the direction it has most of the data. Most of the data would be over on the left, except for this one peak. Symmetric is when it's even, it's equal on both sides. And then other than those three shapes, you're not going to have any any real other shapes than those. Next, let's talk about the modality. Once again, we can see that this has one clear peak and comes back down. So the modality on this one is what we call unimodal. So it's unimodal because it's got one. Una means like a unicycle. There's a lot of words that begin with una that means one. Uniform, be careful, don't get it mixed up with uniform. Uniform means it's going to be flat across the top. Bimodal means it has two peaks. Next, it's going to ask you if you should use the median or the mean. This one, you're going to use the median. So you're going to use the median anytime your data is skewed. If it's any other shape at all, use mean. You're going to say, I'm going to use the mean. The reason why is on skewed data, the mean gets pulled away from the true center, and so it gives us not a clear picture of our data. Next, we're going to look at where is the center here. I've blown up our graph so we can take a look at the center. And what we can see here is that each of our bins has some values in it. So this one has 4, this one has 14, 10, 8, 6, and so on. So what I want to do is start adding those up. So from here to here, I have 5. From here to here, there's 19 total. Now the reason I'm doing that is because I have 65 readings. I'm going to round that so I don't end up with a decimal, but 66 divided by 2 is equal to 33. What that means is my median is the 33rd number in here. So let's see, 19 plus 10 is 29, and then right here, voila, this is the spot. Because 29 plus 8 is 37. So somewhere between 29 and 37, and I know I've covered it up, but somewhere in there, our center is at, let's see, is somewhere between, there's a 20 in there, is at 20, and that would be approximately. Okay, so that's approximately 20. And the last thing it's going to ask you is if there appears to be any outliers. So it's going to have outliers if, okay, so if there's a point that is just really far away. So does there appear to be outliers? There's nothing really far away from our center. Remember, our center is at 20, and it looks pretty evenly. Okay, so there does not appear to be outliers on this one.